In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually make a t-shirt in Roblox Mobile. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin on the Roblox app. Now, since you actually can't create t-shirts in the actual app, you're just going to make sure for now that you're logged in. Now, you can click your avatar and get set up for what we're just about to do. So you're going to go onto your Safari if you're on an iPhone and go to roblox.com. It'll prompt you to go onto the app, but click on Continue in Browser. Now, you're going to log in, as I am doing, and once you're logged in, you'll be able to actually continue in Browser once again, and then click on Create. It does look a little bit different than it used to, but it's still available. You are going to have Roblox Studio, but you'll be able to create this very soon. Now, since the first option did not work, you're going to actually go into your URL and type in create.roblox.com like so, and you'll be taken to this page. Now, once you go here, you're going to click on Avatar Items, and you'll have the option to make t-shirts, shirts, or pants. Since we're making a t-shirt today, you're going to click on Upload Asset. Now, you're going to click on Upload and find an image that you would like to upload. This is going to be the logo that is placed on your shirt. So, if I were to just take a photo, it would work just like that. But since you need a JPEG, a PNG, a TGA, or a BMP, all you're going to have to do is get your photo and go into JPEG Converter so that it converts into a JPEG, because sometimes the pictures do not work directly from the phone. Now, all you would have to do is go to an image converter to JPEG, and once it loads, you will just convert from your iPhone and choose the file and use whatever photo you would like, and it'll be converted to a JPEG. Now, since I already have a t-shirt made, I'm not going to make another one, but you'll basically create the name, the description, and have your image uploaded. Since I already have this white t-shirt created, I am going to go back to the Roblox app, go to my avatar, and click on Customize. Now, once you actually go to Clothing, you can see that you will actually have your classic t-shirt under the one you have created. And once you click it, it'll be added to your avatar. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.